Employee handbooks can be a very useful tool for organizations. They are helpful in communicating the rules and guidelines for your employees as well as your managers. In addition, they can, when prepared properly, help defend you in case of litigation. There are several areas that you want to be sure to include in your handbook. First of all, you want to include all of those policies that are required by law, and these laws will vary according to the number of employees that you have. In addition, you want to make sure you've added all the policies related to your zero tolerance regarding discrimination and harassment, not just sexual harassment, but other types of harassment as well. You want to include information about benefits. When are employees eligible? Where do they get additional information about benefits? You also want to include leave policies. This would include your vacation policies, paid time off, sick leave, military leave, which is required by law, along with voting leave and other leaves that you have specifically in your organization. Then finally, you want to make sure you include standards of conduct. This describes your expectation of how employees behave while at work. It may also include electronic communication policies, social media policies, and those policies dealing with customer service as well as conflict of interest. You want to make sure that an employee reads the handbook thoroughly and signs that they have received the handbook. I did a webinar last week about developing employee handbooks, and one of the participants said, "What can we do to make sure the employees actually read the handbook?" And my suggestion is that you make a game out of it, that you have requirements for employees to read the handbook, and then you have a group meeting with your employees, maybe play Jeopardy, maybe play a crossword puzzle, other types of quizzes where employees not only have to answer a question that is related to something in the handbook, but they have to tell you what page that question is answered on. So it's a way that you know that employees have actually read it. It's also vital that managers are well trained in how to administer the policies. Again, employee handbooks are very valuable tools, but all employers should exercise caution in making sure that they're prepared properly and can really help you manage your organization. On the next Tuesday tip, I'll discuss considerations for developing an inclement weather policy.